It's time to get started on the outside of this truck where we can get this thing cleaned up, where we can get started on some sanding and some paint. I'm going to go ahead and take the bed cover off before we do the pressure washing and see how this bed looks. It's a good looking cap. I believe we're going to paint it too. Got the bed cover off, and we've got to get this thing cleaned up because we need to start taking parts off of it. Anxious to see how the bed looks on the inside because it's had a cover on it, but I don't know how long. And then the bed mat. The interior of this truck is just about done. I'll post this video of the interior where you can see how bad it was. We had to take the carpet, seats, and all that out, clean them and shine them and put them all back in. And this is where we're at now. Headliner's off. Still got the, took the sun visors back out, working on them a little bit. Got this cheap plastic dash cover. Don't like the color on it. I can only get 2 colors. So I've ordered some dye. I'm gonna dye that. And then we put the new seat in. And as you can see, the new seat looks all nice. And it makes the old seat look purple. So not sure what I'm gonna do about that. Carpet turned out really good, and I've ordered this button right here for the door lock, and it's not in. It's supposed to be in tomorrow. Get that finished up, but it really turned out really nice. Let me go to the other side. See this side from what it was to what it is now. So not too shabby. You can see the difference in the color of that. That's just terrible. That ain't gonna work. I've laid the purple stuff to this, but the inside of the bed really looks good. It's just covered in some kind of a grease or something. I don't know what it is. And then the back window, you can't even see through the back window. Let's see if that comes off. You can really tell the difference in that. Let's see what the rest of it's going to do. Well, the bed is absolutely perfect after we get all the gunk off of it. I tried to film it best I could. Got a couple little dings here on these right there, but I ain't worried about that. But the basic inside the bed really looks good. Let's go ahead and get the rest of this thing. Johnny should be here in a few minutes. He's got a truck he's got to paint. And so we're going to have to get the hood off of it, get all the chrome off of it, get these steps off the side, mirrors, and all the little odds and ends, tail lights, bumpers. So it shouldn't take long. And then the long process of sanding. So we might as well get to it. We got Johnny wheeling in here. Got Johnny wheeling in here in the big Dodge truck. How do you like it?
I don't like it.
You're used to the smart car, man.
This thing's been wrecked. No, it's been wrecked. And golly, they ain't got something right in the steering.
I know one thing, your legs are a little short.
Yeah, I'll go along with that.
Anyway, you done got the fender knocked out, ready to go?
Yeah, it's just little sanding and shoot it.
So what happened?
Hit real hard in front up here.
Right.
And he's replaced everything already. Got him an aftermarket grill. And found him a junkyard hood.
Same color, that's cool.
And got same color. Got a little places to touch up, like you'd expect. But the steering on this thing.
Is it four-wheel drive?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, it might be something.
Good thing, because I about got stuck trying to get out of my parking lot.
Yeah, I know that. It's been rough, man. It's froze 12 degrees, and then now it's raining. So we're going to paint this today, or you're going to paint this today?
Yeah, it don't need just this little scuffing and cover up the rest of it and paint it.
All right, check out what we're doing, man. I'm getting you another ready in here. There she is.
Oh, you already painted it.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it turned out good. Got that new satin finish like everybody.
Yeah, everybody likes the satin finish. Now we're taking it. Tell me now what all we need to do. I took these skirts off, and I'm not a big fan of them, but if we're going to do the petty truck, we got to put them back on. But we went and took that off.
Oh, yeah, the ground effects crap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the step. And so I know we need that off. Can I leave the mirrors on?
Well, they're easy to get off. I'd take them off. Get them out of your way.
All right. I'm going to take the headlights out, the grill. Can we leave the bumper?
Yeah. Once you get the headlights out and the grill out, it's way out of the way.
All right. I'm going to take the hood off.
Yeah.
Because I'm short and I can't reach up there and sand it. And it's going to have to look like it's been painted before or something right there. Can you see?
Yeah. It's had some work. But
we'll put it on
one of them little tables over there, and that'll make it a good handy height.
We got to get the headlights out where you can get this in.
Yeah, that'll need a little work. But I think we can do it. That's about what that truck in there had on it.
I want to keep the fender though, because I don't want one of them Chinese fenders.
No. But that truck in there, it had a dent just about like that.
Right. So take the rest of this off. Can I leave the door handles?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What about the tailgate? You want it all?
What do we got to do to it?
Nothing.
Yeah, leave it on.
Okay.
Of course, these things just come off.
Yeah, ain't nothing to take one off.
We'll see. If we need it off, we'll take it off.
All right. I guess we need to get back to it.
And then I've seen the guys use like a basketball.
Yeah.
Stick in there and pump it up. We're going to try that on this and see if we can push that out with a basketball.
Really?
We're going to find out. I've seen it done, on YouTube.
On YouTube. We might have a flared fender on this side, depending on how quick the basketball fills up. Well, that'll be that. All right, Mike, let's get this other side done where we can get her ready for him. We've done all the damage we can do on the little Dodge truck, so now it's up to Johnny, and he will be videoing his progress on the little truck. Sanding and priming and all that takes a while, and I know a lot of these car channels put videos up every week. It's hard to fix a car in a week. I'm just going to tell you, there's just no way to do it. It's kind of a long, drawn-out process, but it's worth it. If you see the car back in the back, that's the Junkyard Cadillac. It's on our playlist where we bought that thing out of a junkyard, and we got to finish the video up on it because it's ready to go. It's a beautiful car. But I'll show you where we're at. The hood is over here where we can get to it. It's going to have to be stripped. Most of this truck's going to have to go down to the metal, especially the top. This top, y'all got cars that's got rust on it like that. That's really hard to deal with, but we're going to tackle it. A lot of the paint, some of the paint, come off of this truck when I was pressure washing it, which you can see silver is the world's worst for coming off. But everything's off. Probably end up taking the tailgate off. And you know, I'm not wild about the sideboards, I call them, but running boards or whatever they call them now. I'm not really wild about them. But to make the petty truck, we're going to have to put them on it. Unless y'all got another idea we could go with this truck. But absolutely love it. And you can see Johnny, he worked on that dent just a little bit. I don't know if we're going to have to replace that fender or not. And I'll show you what he did while we were gone. The fender is now white. Well, it looks good, don't it? Phillips Run, Drip, and Bubble Company. We really appreciate y'all watching Phillips Run, Drip, and Bubble Company. And thanks for all the support. We appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Give us a like. It don't cost you anything, and it really helps the channel. And hopefully we'll be back next week with another video of something going on here at Phillips Run, Drip, and Bubble Company.